I have come to Lakshmi Engineering here, so I'm going to buy wire for you. See, they are loading the wire. So we have requested them to give us 28 SWG wire of 200 grams. 100 grams, sorry. Okay. So how do they know whether it has come to 100 grams or not? See, with a hand, this gentleman is rotating this machine with the hand, and the wire from the main bobbin, they are loading to my bobbin. See how nicely they are loading. So there are Yes, now I have requested them to give me 200 grams of 30 SWG. So you need to ask me what is the difference between 28 SWG to 30 SWG. Okay, this is one question you need to ask me. And in fact, actually we are trying to build, we are trying to design some hands-on activity for you guys to do in the school lab itself. So recently when I have come to this shop, at the time I have purchased 22 SWG wire, but in a bobbin we could load only 300 tons, for which we are generating only 1.5 volts. So that 1.5 volts is not sufficient enough to show you the LED is glowing or not, because we need around 2 volts across the LED. That's why instead of going to change the bobbin size, what we are trying to do is we are going to use the 30 SWG wire. So as it is thicker or thinner, you need to find it out later. So because of that variation in the cross-sectional area, so we can go for more turns, more number of turns. That's where the voltage per turn is going to be more and more. And that's where we are going to show you almost double voltage than the 22 gauge wire and all. Okay. So now, as we have requested them to give me this wire of 200 grams of 30 gauge wire, so they are checking it up. So see, it's a really one way tedious job for them. If we come morning between 10 to evening 8, they won't be able to do this for us. So now we have specially come at this time, so that while they are packing up for the day, we are requesting them to help us to give this required wire. Otherwise it's a tedious job for them to give us the required grams and all, because number of times they have to open. That's why you need to tinker something, man. You have to innovate some products which can help them. Whatever grams, whatever gauge people ask, your innovation must give them immediately. They have to measure it and give it immediately. Otherwise, you see how many people are waiting for us to complete the job. Okay then, take care. Let me complete designs day after tomorrow, and then I'll put you all onto the job with the required bobbins and LEDs and the coils and the windings, whatnot. A big activity for all of you guys. I think first time in India you're all doing at our Lorelei Global School. Bye-bye, taking care, bye-bye. Signing off, your science friend Srinivas, your mentor Srinivas from scientificstudent.com. Bye-bye.